Assalamualaikum and very good evening to all of you. Welcome to this video where I will discuss about tutorial 2.8, which is the ultimate moment resistance for flange beam at midspan, where we will consider the W reinforced. Okay, the tutorial 2.8, you can refer to module page 64. The question is determine the ultimate moment of resistance for the beam with flange cross sections located near the midspan by using the FYK equal to 500 Newton per millimeter square. So you can see here that we have the AS prime, okay, which is for compressions, and the AS is for tensions. Okay, so first of all, of course, we have to determine the value of B and the D prime. Okay, I believe you already familiar with these steps. So may I know the answer for D? Okay, 444.5 mm. Okay, of course, you write down the full calculation later. And then the D prime? Okay, 51 millimeter. Okay, good. Now you have to sketch the stress block diagram. You can refer to page 37 in the module. Okay, it will look like this one. Okay, just like before, we have the FST from the steel, tension steel, and then we have the FCC1, okay, from the compression concrete. I mean the concrete which is compressed inside the web, and then FCC2 is to consider the area of concrete which is being compressed in the flange, and the AS, okay, we have the compression reinforcement, so it's become our FSC. Okay, the A1 just like before is equal to BW multiplied by 0.8x, and our A2 is equal to B flange minus by B web and multiplied by the HF. Okay. Next, we have the FCC1, so it's equal to 0.567 FCK multiplied by BW and 0.8x. So what is the value here? Okay, 3402x. Okay, units Newton. How about the FCC2? The formula is 0.567 FCK multiplied by width of flange minus by width of web multiplied by the HF. So what is the answer here? Okay, 354. 354. Okay, 375 Newton. Okay, good. So next is the FST. Okay, from the tension reinforcement 0.87 FYK multiplied by S provided. So what is the answer? 1067 and 925 Newton. Okay, good. And then how about the compressive force in the steel, FSC? 0.87 FYK multiplied by AS prime provided. So can you give me the answer? 262,305 Newton. Okay, good. So for equilibrium, here you can see for equilibrium FST equal to FCC1 plus FCC2 plus FSC. So you just enter the value we calculated before. So any value for X. Sorry? 133, okay. 132.6 mm, 133 is okay. Okay, Next, for the ultimate moment resistance, okay, we can directly calculate from here. Okay, equal to FCC1 multiplied by Z1 and FCC2 multiplied by the distance of Z2 and FSC multiplied by the distance of Z3. Okay, so I advise you to be careful for these steps. Okay, it's equal to 3402x. Okay, this is the FSCC1. Okay, multiply by D minus 0.4x. Okay, you settle this one first, and then you plus FCC2 354,375 multiplied by the D minus HF over 2. Okay, you settle this one, and then the last one is FSC multiplied by Z3 equal to 262,305 multiplied by D minus D prime. Okay, D minus D prime here. Okay, here is our D prime. Okay, just recall back our previous tutorials. So, can I have the final answer? Our moment resistance 415. Okay, good. 415 kilonewton. Okay, you settle one by one, and then you use your calculator. Okay. So congratulations to all of you. We just finished the tutorial 2.8. So you can try similar situations from page 68 to 69 from the module. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in tutorial 2.9. Bye.